YouTube was good. It's your boy Small Pound back with another fog on the lens. Hey, the weather since yesterday, not good. This has not been it on fog. Hey, yeah, weather has been bad. Uh-oh, left the phone. Copyright. Cut that out. That's straight copyright, bro. All right, so we just pulled up. Beamer Inception. Did that close? Beamer Inception. Beamer. All right, bro. We at secret location. Boy, this place is loud. It's quiet, but it's loud. All right, so boom. I already said merch is coming. Currently here at the warehouse. Got these shirts. These are all samples, by the way. Samples and then like my stuff. Hold on, focus, boy. Hoodie, shirt, hoodie. This hoodie is definitely mine. And then one of the designs right here. Small Pound Ramen Dragon. Yo, you didn't link Nachi? You linked Nachi? Yeah. This is how you gotta get around the shop. This? Y'all got insurance? You going? Look, my dog Knox done stepped up, elevated up, got the boat. Black Boaters Unite. Hey, look, check it out. Before I leave, you already know what time it is. Say we on the yeet, but we ain't gonna be like that. Hey, you know that one video. Nah, we out there. Probably this week. Yeah. This what's today? Tuesday? Monday. Today's Monday? Bro, let's go. We out. Say less. Oh yeah, today was wildin'. Big tripping. Alright, boom. I just dropped off some shirts. I got some other shirts over here. Shirts and hoodies. I already know. Ryan! Ring Droid. Security to the max. Dog. Look at the little pop star.
There ain't no pop star.
K-pop star. My little K-pop dancer.
I know how to K-pop dance.
Yeah, right. Yo.
It's your boy Small. Coming back with another one. Blah 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 Jamaica. So
say it.
yeah, you do.
I don't even say. Back in Japan.
Welcome. How you like Florida?
They're gonna really think I'm back in Japan.
Yeah, bro.
How do I like Florida?
What's up? Welcome
Florida
back.
Florida or like COVID Florida?
COVID Florida, bro.
Well,
Q Bell. Bing. So what's up, man? Welcome back to Florida, bro.
appreciate it. I've always wanted to come back.
It's been a minute.
It's been
yeah, how long?
It's been 2 years.
2 years. Damn.
Since the last time.
So what was your first meal when in the mother
Party foul.
So what was your first meal when you came back?
Jamaican food.
Of course. What did you get though? Oxtail? Jerk?
I think it was oxtail.
Oxtail? Yes sir. What would you rather have? A house or a car?
A house? Yeah, I'm not gonna live in the car.
If it was the end of the world and you could date one celebrity, who would it be and why? End of the world. Last boom boom.
That's hard.
What you for the hit?
Maybe, oh man. Nazani? What's her name? Miguel's wife.
A wife?
It's the end of the world, bro.
Bruh, how did I see this salad? You think that salad looking delicious, bruh?
It's not bad.
That thing is looking delicious, bruh.
It's not bad.
Not bad? So,
Hopefully the steak is good.
hopefully the steak is good, you're right. So, last question. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Who's your best friend, me or Jordan?
You, definitely.
Jordan's gotta be lit.
Never forget Jordan.
Jordan's fucking lit.
Alright, back at it. The one talking, this my boy.
What's that?
Introduce yourself.
It's your boy Small Pound.
That's not you.
Hi, it's Jason.
It's Jay Lee. Introduce.
Hi, I'm Cassie.
So this guy right here was the cause of about 90% of the time me getting in trouble.
No.
Cause. And now he's.
I'm a Korean pop star. How can I get someone in trouble?
And I got his autograph. So if you want it, let me know.
So I'm gonna do the Ashmere. What's it called? An Ashmere?
ASMR?
ASMR. No, I'm just kidding. But I want to tell you guys, this is how I met this guy.
Don't lie.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna tell the truth, bruh. So, back in high school, we used to do back flips and front flips and all type of flips. I wish we had that video still where he busts his butt. But there's one time,
I do not recall.
there was this wall. It was like one of, what was it, the classroom wall? And I ran up to it, off the wall. I did a whole ninja. And when I land, it wasn't on my leg. It was on my arm. And I broke it. It was out of place. And Corey came over. He was like, yo, let me see your arm. And I showed him my arm with my elbow hanging out this way. And he put it back in place. He saved my life, y'all.
I saw it on TV one time.
I swear this is so true, though. So he put my arm back together, and I continued with the rest of the day of school. Based on a true story.
Boom. Cowboy steak. They have the steak for two. What do you do?
Steamed broccoli. Gotta stay healthy.
So since he's not used to American food, K-pop, in Korea. So the story is he was.
Oh Lord, I thought we were talking about truth now.
Oh, never mind. Weather is crazy. Weather is crazy. Can't do it.